Lab here, and I'm your host, Nick. And today we are going to be doing another tutorial, and this one is themed on trash. Today I'm going to be giving you all a tutorial on how to recover items from the trash and how to empty your trash. But before we get started, if you enjoy this type of content and think this video would be useful, why not give it a like? It shows your support and shows me that you are enjoying my content. And subscribe to my channel and activate the notifications if you think that this is some useful content. Let's get right into it. Step 1. You see the trash icon down here. And all you have to, if you see this, there is some junk on top of it. You can right click it, or if you're on a mouse, you can right click with the right button. If you're on a trackpad, use 2 fingers and click. And you'll get 2 options: open and empty trash. Don't select empty trash yet, we'll talk about that later. Select open. You may also open it by simply selecting the icon. When you're in it, find all the files that you don't need anymore. You may right click on them using the mouse, or you can do 2 finger click. And you'll get a few options here. And there is one option which you should probably not use unless you actually really want to empty your trash, and delete immediately will ask for confirmation if you'd like to delete it. If you don't want to delete it and you want to keep it, or at least you think you might need it again, you don't want to have to reinstall it, select cancel. However, if you do want to get rid of it, select delete, and it will get rid of it. Now, you can also you can just drag it here, and it doesn't really do anything. It just puts it back in the trash, so it's useless. Now, you can also, to remove an item from here, you can always right click on it, and on certain ones, it will give you this new option, put back. Click on that, and it will put it back where it came from. And here we have it, right on our good old desktop, right here. And of course, you can either drag it here, or, of course, put it back. And you can obviously just double click on it, or just 2 finger click, or right click, and select move to trash. And just like that. So there's 2 simple ways of doing it. They're both pretty much the same in difficulty. Very simple. If you want to empty the trash, select this option right here. Make sure, before you delete anything, make sure that you know that you don't need anything in here, because some of it might be important to you. So, what do? Well, select empty. It will ask for confirmation. If you realize that there's a file in here that you find useful and that you think you still need, you can select cancel. As it does say, you can't undo this action. So let's select cancel. However, if you really truly want to empty your trash, select empty trash. But for now, I'm going to just drag a few things back into my dock, just so we can get a better idea of what they look like. And as you can see, we only have one thing remaining in here. So, all this is basically just simple stuff that you can get rid of if you need. You don't absolutely have to. Also, I accidentally put all this stuff in here. I can obviously put that back in the dock here. I'll just drag all these and select them and put them back in the dock. Why I did this, I have no idea. Just to show what it sometimes did. Okay, I only wanted to get rid of one thing. This. Let's go ahead and get rid of this. Let's find everything else we want to get rid of that doesn't belong in here. And just like that, we are done. So we're just going to X out of that. Click on trash again, or right click and select open. And in here we have everything else that is still existing. If you want to move an item to the trash, you can right click on it. Just simply right click on, select move to trash. Or you can simply drag it directly to the trash, just like that. Especially if it's open. Now, here's something else you probably didn't know. If you drag with your mouse and do this, you can actually select multiple items. Right clicking on them will allow you to delete all of them at once. Just like that. Now, they won't be completely gone for good because, of course, they will still be existent in that one file. So let's go ahead and delete all of this. And piece of cake. Now that we have everything back in here, if you are sure, absolutely certain that you'd like to empty your trash, you may select empty and empty trash. Now, if you don't want to empty trash, just click cancel, as I said. There's also a shortcut to doing this without opening it. If you already know that nothing in there you need, simply right click on it or click with 2 fingers, and this empty trash option will be white, and you can select that. It'll ask for confirmation, and there's your tutorial. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you found this tutorial useful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and check out my other Minecraft channel, Nixcraft. And we'll see you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.